Okay, we're live. So let's start with this live stream. And today I will be working on my Arduino project that I'm uh, doing in college with some friends, and it's a slot car race. So take a look over here. Just a moment here. You can see that this is my project. It's a slot car race, and like this is like a toy. And what we did was we want actually to have this like automatic, you know. So Arduino needs to control the cars and how, like, which car goes fast, which car goes lower, and everything else. And this is the project. Let me take a look here. Just shared this stream with a friend of mine, and yeah, let's start. First of all, what are the problems that we're facing? I wonder if there's a way that I can keep this like keep like I would like to see my webcam actually, you know. I don't know if there's a way we can do that. Yeah, but I can search about that later. So let's start. What we have here is this code. It's a simple Arduino code, right? And we have this here. Let me just see if you can see it. Yeah, we have this. It's like it's called relay, something like that, and it's not supposed to work with an analogic part. Although I have here like the relay, I think it's the correct way to say that, pin. It's 5, which 5 it's an analogic part in Arduino Uno, right? And we're not supposed to do that because relay is like a digital toggle. So it toggles like on and off, just like a light switch, you know, on and off. And actually it's like here you can see that I chose like analog right, which should be digital right because it should be a digital part. And I'm writing here analog right, relay pin, and 0, which is basically off, like no electricity going on between the Arduino and this it's the cable that I will put on the track of the car. So this controls, sends like electricity to the track of the car, so the car can walk, you know, the car can like receive electricity and run. And when it's off, it's there is no electricity going on over here. And when it's on, like there is electricity going on over here. So what I want to show you guys is I want just to connect. Let me just do that, put it in my, like, frame my face over here, and I want to connect this to my computer and try to show you guys the sound that it makes, right? Yeah, as you can see. I don't know if you can hear it, but I'll try to film it for you. So it's not connected right now to the slot car race, to the track. It's just like just the Arduino on my computer, that's it. And I want to show you guys the problem that I'm facing over here. So let me just take here for a moment and film that. I think that it's here, yeah. So you can see that I have like a delay of 2 milliseconds. It's not even like half a second, right? So it's 2 milliseconds, and here it's 2 seconds. And this delay tells us, like, you know, that it turns off for 2 milliseconds and it's turned on for 2 seconds. And that's all we can do with this relay right now, because it's a digital relay, it's not like an analogic one, right? Let me just fix it here. Yeah. So what I want to do is show you guys what happens if I try to change the value over here of this analog write, because that's what I need for this project. I need to, like, let's say 255, it's like the maximum electricity, the maximum value. So it's like it's on, electricity is going on between the relay and the track of the car. And with this value, the car is like, it's at full speed. I can try to show you guys, but it's kind of like, it's kind of dangerous, because the car, it's like, it's really fast, you know, really fast. But yeah, so I will show you what I mean. I just needed to see the I just needed to see my screen here. Actually, I think that I can create another scene, right? Scene. Like scene 1, right? Yeah. Let me just check here. Okay. Yeah, I will just wait over here. So you can see that with this code, this is the code that it's on the Arduino now. And I will just change it a little bit, so it's 5 milliseconds here, and also 5 milliseconds here. I think it's better this way. And let me just upload it to the Arduino. Perfect. So if I try to do that now, you can see that I just needed to put something here, because it just fails, you know. Maybe this, something like that, just so it doesn't fall over here, you know. And this is what's happening right now in the project. Put it over here. Let me just change the track, because it's the second one is safer for me. So you can see that it's like 5 milliseconds, but it's at its full speed, you know. And that's not what I want, actually. What I want is to control the velocity of this. So that's what I will try to do right now. Yeah, that's what I'll try to do right now. Perfect. So let's start working on that. First of all, let me just unplug the Arduino, right? Because I will be working with it right now. Just put it here, unplug the track too, no need to be on. And let me just do that. think that here you can see what's going on over here. So what I need to do is I need a transistor. I needed to look on ChatGPT. Just okay. I need a transistor over here. Yeah, that's what I need. I need a transistor to control the relay with PWM values, so I can decrease the velocity of the car, make it like going slower or faster, because that's what I need for this project. I need it to be like random velocity, you know, and automatic. I don't want like people to control it like with a remote controller. I want it to be random, controlled by the Arduino code, you know. So that's what I want to do. To add a transistor to control the relay with PWM values, you will typically use a simple transistor switch circuit. This allows you to use the Arduino's PWM output to control the transistor, which in turn controls the relay. Here's how you can set it up. Okay. Components needed. I will need a transistor. This is a transistor, and I think I have one of these here. I just need to find it, but yeah, I do have one of these here. I just need to find it. Okay, so this is a buzzer. Let me try to find the transistor over here. What if I don't have a transistor? How can I do that? Because I don't think I have a transistor. I think I have this, but this is not a transistor. It's a sensor, I think. This is a button. Let me take a look on here. Yeah, so I think there's no transistor over here. Let me just take a look on the live stream. Yes. So what can I do if I don't have a transistor? What can I do? Yeah, I don't have one. So yeah, what can I do if I don't have a transistor? I don't have a transistor, but I have this. Any pen transistor. I have this, like, I don't know if this works as a transistor. Transistor B100K. Let me check it. B100. Arduino B100K. It's a thermistor, yeah. So yeah, I have Arduino 100K thermistor. If you don't have a transistor and want to control the relay using a PWM signal from your Arduino, you can use a different approach by modifying the relay control to be fully digital without PWM. This means that you can only turn the relay on and or off, not control it at intermediate levels like PWM. No, this is not a thermistor, this is like something else. B100K. It's a potentiometer, so yeah. Potentiometer, yeah. I have a potentiometer. Can I work with that? It's 100K. Yes, to control the relay. I think that I can use that. The potentiometer can act as a variable resistor to adjust the voltage applied to the relay module, allowing you to control the relay state. Here's how you can wire and use the potentiometer to control the relay. Okay, let's start that. So yeah, wire the potentiometer. Connect one end of the potentiometer to the 5 volts output of your Arduino. Okay, let's do that then. 5 volts. So let's just here. Okay, so connect one end of this with this. Okay, one end, right? Okay. Connect the other end of the potentiometer to the ground of your Arduino, which is this one. This is the ground, and this is the 5 volts. Yeah. Connect the whipper of the potentiometer to an analog input pin of the Arduino, which is the 5, which I'm already using. Okay. Okay, it's done. So what now? Mm. Connect the relay modulo to a digital pin and configure it as an output in your setup. Oh yeah, so that's not the correct what I'm doing. Let me just do a different thing over here. Grab that. Very fast. Here, got the blue one. So connect the relay modulo to a digital pin. So this will go to an analog input, A0, yeah, and put it over here. Why is not doing it? Oh, this one is in the middle, right? No, I think this is not correct. This is not a male and female, it's like broken. This is the correct one. So okay, this is go to a 0, which is an analog pin, right? This goes to one end, and this one goes to another end. Okay, so this is done. Yeah. Let me just check this. Let me just check this. Okay. Yeah. Let's start. Continue actually. So connect the relay module to a digital pin, which is the 5, right? Yeah, it's correct. It's connected to the 5. So this is in your setup. In your loop, read the value from the potentiometer and map it to control the relay. So let me see if I can understand that. So what's the point here? This is already my code, right? Here, this is already my code. No, this and pin mode relay output here. Why is it a digital, right? Because the pin 5 it's analog, not digital. But yeah, 0. Okay. In the loop, pot value. So in the loop, I will read the potentiometer value. So yeah, read. Just frame my face over here. Reach the potentiometer value. Pot value, analog read A0. Okay. Map the potentiometer value to control the relay. Map the potentiometer value to control the relay. And I'm going to print like the pot value and just comment that and also comment that. And now I'm going to control the relay over here, right? Control the relay and print the potentiometer value to the serial. Well, let's see if it works, right? Let's see if this works. So yeah, it's not working. Yeah. Let me try a different thing. This potentiometer will not receive 5 volts, it will receive 3.5 volts. And here so what I think I need to do is this. This potentiometer will receive 3.5 volts, right? And I will connect the GND over here. And this will receive 5 volts. And I'm also gonna connect the GND to the relay. Just a moment. Yeah. I don't have a transistor, so I'm working like with what I have, which is a potentiometer. Okay. This everything can go here, and this can go here. So the relay and the potentiometer is on, right? And what's going on? Didn't work. Let me try a different thing. Change these two things over here. This one goes here, and the other one goes here. Okay. So the relay is like on, and it's not turning off, right? Maybe it's working and I haven't tried. See if it's working or not. No, it's not working. Just try. think I will need to buy a transistor, because without a transistor I can't do anything. Just put it here. Yeah, I need to buy a transistor, man. Like, there's really nothing I can do over here. This is go to the GND, right? GND port over here. I try to do that. What are my options? I need to control. What kind of PWM of external can I use? I'll try this piece here. Digital potentiometer, let me see. Yeah, but this is a potentiometer, right? So this is a potentiometer. That's what I don't understand. Ciao. Just for a moment, I'll just delete that very fast so I can answer here. Okay, so I do have a potentiometer over here. I do have a potentiometer over here. It has the writing B100K on it. How can I make it work with the relay that I have. Just for a moment, because I want to answer my father over here. So yeah, what I need is I do have a relay module, 100k potentiometer, and a power size for the relay module, if different from Arduino power. Okay. Sorry. So yeah, the thing is that I have tried that. Also needs to be connected to a 5-volt pin and a GND. It does not work otherwise. How can I make that? Please take a deep breath and answer me. If your relay module requires a separate 5 volts and GND connection, you should provide this connection in addition to control sign to the control sign from your Arduino. Here's how to do it. But the thing is that my Arduino has only one 5 volts port, so or maybe not actually. Yeah, maybe not. I can do that. So let's try it. So connect one end of the potentiometer to the 5 volts of your Arduino. Man, how can I find 5 volts over here? GND here. Yeah, my Arduino only has one 5 volts port, so the thing is Arduino has only one 5 volts port. connects the 5-volt output of your Arduino to a common node or junction point. Okay. How can I do that? Daisy chaining on Arduino. Arduino. So daisy chaining. Junction point Arduino. Junction point, what's that? I didn't understand how to do that, so I will ask ChatGPT again. What is a junction point? This is okay. Okay, how can I use a breadboard for that? Place the breadboard on a flat surface. Okay. Breadboard over here. Insert your Arduino 5 volts and GND pins into the breadboard. Distribute power. Okay. Okay. So the 5 volts, it's going on plus, right? And GND, so 5 volts, it's going on plus, right? And the GND, it's going on minus, right? So the the 5 volts to the on the minus, okay. So now I'm going to take this, right? And this is going to be the potentiometer, and this is going to be the the relay. All right. So your secret. Okay. So, what about the GND? Where do I connect it? Okay, perfect. I think this is going to work, guys. I have here my potentiometer, right? And, oops, my potentiometer. And, yeah. Actually, I can do that. I can take that off. And I can put it directly on the potentiometer, right? So it is 5 volts. And I can take this and put it on the relay, right? Yeah. You just put it over here. Okay. Now I can connect the GND. And also the pin, the A0, because it's this the A0, it's also analogic, right? So connect over here. Now it should work. Okay. Now, let's take this over here, put it over here. It's kind of a mess over here, but okay. So yeah, now I'm going to yeah, connect it to my, oh man, I hope it doesn't break anything. Wow, man, I think it's going to work. I think it's going to work, guys. I really think. So yeah, maybe it's going to work. Let's connect it to this. And now let's, where is the cable to the track? Let's power the track, right? Powering the track over here. Okay. Now let's try it. Take a look over here. Maybe like kind of worked, but I don't feel like I'm really controlling the car, you know. So yeah, this is it over here. Just a moment. I hope you guys can see that. And this is like the potentiometer, right? And this is the car. I'm going to put the car over here so you guys can see it. And when I'm going just to why is it not working? I don't know. Let me try another car. So yeah, this one is not working. I don't know. Oh yeah, did work, you see? But it's a full speed right now. Now it's started on and off, so yeah, it is working, you see, not like I'm not controlling it, but now I want to, okay, now I want to now I need to control the velocity of this, and okay, it did work, but does the digital potentiometer only works with my hands, or can I control it directly on the code? This is my code. Okay. So the behavior of depends on the specific model type you are using. Okay. What does this mean? Okay, so what if I do that? 180 here, okay. Okay. So it did work. This is a thing that it was not working. So what if I decrease even more, like 50 here? I will. It's uploading, right? Yeah, it did upload. Let's try it again. Yeah, it did work. Oh, I'm sorry. I lost the sign over here. Just a moment. Let me turn this off. Just reset it very fast. Weird. So it's not being controlled anymore. That's very weird. Let me type 255. And okay. 180. Let me see if this works. So yeah, it's not working correctly. So let me try to do something else. Yeah. Oh man, I think I don't have the right components over here, so. Weird. Very weird. Um, 150. Two five five. So yeah, I'm trying to control the relay here, which is not a analogic relay, it's a digital relay. So I normally we should not like control it with like the PWM. I'm trying to do that with also a potentiometer that I think that is not a digital potentiometer too, but yeah, I'm not having success over here, and I don't think like I think I need to buy a transistor, a different type of relay to to control it. So yeah, I don't think that this will work. I can even try to show you the track over here. So yeah, this is the track I'm using, and this is the potentiometer. But yeah, it's not working anymore. So it turned it off. Yeah, it just didn't work. Yeah, guys, it did not work. I needed a different kind of type of relay. This is not the correct relay. So it did not work, okay? Yeah. Let me check it again. This is 5 volts. It goes over here. Also this goes over here. And this one goes to the middle. This one goes in the middle. Let me try it again, okay? I think I understood the problem. It's not going to control the velocity of the car. I just want to show you guys the car, you know. So let me try to see if I can frame the car over here very fast. This is the car. You can see that this is the light of the relay, and this is the potentiometer, right? So yeah, it should be working right now. Oh yeah, it's working. It's working, but it's like you can see that I can turn it off over here, right? And I can turn it on again and off. That's all I can do. I want to have a way to change the velocity of this. Oh, but I think that it will not work. Like 100 should like be something, should be not so fast. Yeah, this is crazy. It's not going to work, guys. 255. So this is the potentiometer I have. Let me just try to see if this is a digital or analog potentiometer. Library, Arduino. I'll just frame my face over here. So, okay. Actually, what I think I need the potentiometer B100K datasheet. So yeah, let me talk to ChatGPT very fast. This is the data sheet. I don't know if there's a way that I can make it work as PWM, so I can control the cars, the relay. PWM model, PWM way via code only. So I'll just send him the so it's a mechanical potentiometer, it does not support PWM control. Okay, yeah. So this is the code that I have, but it does not, I can control the velocity of the car. It's just or on or off, you know, like 0 or 100. Yeah, so it's just only that. Basically, this line is doing nothing. I don't see the car going fast or slower. If you find that how can I implement delays in my code to fix this? Yeah, so based on the delay relays response time, which I think it's, I don't know if it's this, like 1 millisecond, but maybe. Let's just try it. Okay, let's put it the car over here. Maybe it's not 1 millisecond. Maybe it's 1 second. Maybe. Let's see. Don't think it's 1 second, but let's just try it. So yeah, I think I want to control it by microseconds. How can I control it with microseconds with the function delay microseconds? Maybe that also, maybe this is the thing, you know, maybe it's like digital write here, maybe. So, oops, what's digital write? Pin mode and digital write, yeah. Oops. So, yeah, maybe this is digital write here and digital write over here. Let's try to change only that and see what can happen. So yeah, let's try it, right? Oops. Oops. I have a problem over here. It's 1 second still, so that's why it's buggy right now. Yeah. So digital write, it's not the right way to do it. Analog write is the right way to do it, and I want to delay microseconds over here. I don't even know what this function does, and how can I know? How can I know my relay response time? Thanks, man. Some guy like anonymous developer just followed me. Thanks a lot, man. Yeah, I don't have those things here, but yeah. Let's just try this. So does not work yet. Delay microseconds is not a good thing for us. We just try like half of a second, like 5 milliseconds. Yeah, let's try it. But I'm sure that I will need like something like a transistor or a relay that has a PWM, I think it's PWM control, or a potentiometer that has PWM control, like a digital one. Yeah. And I don't have those things. I even thought that I had like a transistor over here, but I don't. Yeah. Forget it, man. Doesn't work. I do need a PWM controller or something like that, you know. But yeah, I learned some things today. I actually don't know much about Arduino. This is a project for college that I'm doing with some of my friends. And actually my friend, which is also called Pedro, which is my name, it's helping me a lot because like the relay was his idea, but I think that we need another type of relay, which is a PWM relay, right? And yeah, that's what we need. And that's it. And also we have 2 cars and 2 tracks, and maybe we need like yeah, we need more relays PWM, because we have 2 relays like this one that I have, which is I think it's a digital relay, I don't know, but it's like turns on and off only, and that's it. It doesn't have a PWM controller in it. But yeah, or a digital potentiometer too might be great. Let's see what can we do. But I think that next time next time I have like some time to work on it, which is going to be soon, I am going to make like another live stream and share like the progress of this project, you know. So that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. I have like 3 viewers, and yeah, if you just entered the stream and you haven't saw the project, I will show you the project right now. This is the project that I have, you know. It's like a slot car racing. Let me just change to the code over here. And this is the relay, you know. This is my Arduino, and the way it works is this. Let me just see if I am framing correct. Yeah. Here you can see it, like, so yeah, what happens is I want to control the velocity of this car, you know, because I want to automate it to be like a real race, you know, like sometimes it goes faster, sometimes it goes slower, and this is not happening because I don't have like a PWM relay, neither I do have a PWM potentiometer or a transistor that I think I could like control it with a transistor, but I don't have any of those things. And so I've just put the car over here to show you guys what I mean. Yeah, it's here. This is the potentiometer, you know, and this is the relay. Right, it's turned off, and when I do that, you can see that when you just saw it. It goes very fast, you know. It goes it like full speed, and I don't want that. I would like to toggle it like here to mess around with this and control the velocity of this, but I need more equipment to do that, so I need to buy it. But next time I like when I buy those things, I will be working on it probably this next week actually, and yeah, I will start another live stream. But that's it. I hope you guys like had a little bit of fun, because I had fun working on. I am having fun actually working on this project, and yeah, it's really cool. Arduino, it's really cool. I like software development more than hardware, you know. But I'm doing like computer engineering. I'm doing a bachelor in computer engineering, so yeah, I have to work with Arduino like more than I would like to, and I kind of like it right now. But yeah, this is the project that I'm doing, and it's not done yet. I need to buy more equipment to do it. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching the live stream. Uh, I don't know when I will start another live stream. Maybe maybe today or something like that, or tomorrow. I don't know. But yeah, this project will be for next week. I have another projects going on, but this is only related to software development, like websites and React projects and all those things. That's it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day, good weekend, and goodbye.